Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the requested URL could not be retrieved on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The first and most obvious solution is to restart your router or modem. Simply switch it off and then switch it on. The next one is to temporarily disable the antivirus. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and click on Windows Security, and then go to the Virus and Sector Protection tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Manage Settings in the right pane and then turn off the antivirus. Do your job, complete it, and then turn it back on. The next solution is to temporarily disable Windows Firewall. Search for Firewall in the Windows search bar and click on Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Turn it off temporarily, click on OK, and once your job is done, then you can turn it back on. That is also important. And lastly, disable proxy connections. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Now go to the connections tab, click on LAN settings. Make sure that automatically detect settings is on and use a proxy server for your LAN is turned off, and restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.